How to increase power and whiteout survival. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase power and whiteout survival. To do that, simply open the WhiteOut Survival app. Click your heroes at the bottom of your screen. Then click the hero that you want to choose. Press the three dotted lines here, and as you can see, this is the current power of the hero. What we need to do is to upgrade the hero, and it will increase the hero's power. The more the hero leveled up, the more it increases its power. Another way to increase its power is to increase its tier. Click the Ascend button, and it will increase its power. Another method that I can share with you is to train the troops. Click the Train button, then click this button, then wait for the process, and you can see that the power increases. That's it. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.